Good day, everyone. Today I want to show us the uses of all the icons in Pixellab, the layout, what Pixellab is all about, the uses and the uses of the icons in it. So first, when you enter a Pixellab, you see something like this. So this A that you can see down here, it's where you can write something, and everything attached to writing, the design, the font, the position, the copy. So using it, you can write something, new text. Let me write happy birthday. Okay. So you can delete it using this dustbin right down here. You can copy it like this. Then you can also delete. Okay. You can use this position to shift it wherever you want it to go. You can use this relative position also to shift it. Okay. You can increase the size, padding, left padding, right padding. You can change the color of the writing. Opacity. Using this opacity, you can make it completely invisible. Then mask. Let's not enable it. Using the font, you can choose any font you want. Okay, style. You can choose this. You can choose this. You can choose this. Okay. Background. From here, you can do something. When you enable it, your writing will now be like this, something like this, different color. Okay, align. You will learn more about this when I start dropping videos. I will try to use most of the icons in Pixellab so you can understand what they are used for. Then stroke. You can make your writing to be stroked. Let's change the color of the stroke. Stroke width. Can you see it? Shadow. Can you see that? So a lot of them. That is why you have to subscribe to this channel. Then when you go to this place, you see shapes. From using these shapes, okay, you can copy these shapes. You can copy it. Okay. You can use this position to shift it. Also, the size, you can increase it and decrease it. The color also, you can change the color. The texture, the opacity, I've said it before, you can make it completely invisible. Stroke, you can also give it stroke color, stroke width, something like this. Erase. Then all this erase color, you will know more about it when I drop videos. That is why you have to subscribe, like and subscribe, then hit the bell notification to be notified. Inner shadow, you can change it. Offset, set Y, things like that. Can you see it? Then from here, when you choose image from this, where they wrote from gallery, you will be bringing a background image. So whenever you do it, the background will clear. Then that image will replace it. So you can also take your background picture with this, where they wrote from camera. Then image. When you want to add image to your design, you can use this. Then crop. You can crop your design. Image size. You can change the image size from here by typing this. You can change the size. Then transparent. You can make the background to be transparent. Okay. Then this place is when it is a picture. You can use it to design a picture. When you want to edit a picture, that is where you can use to edit the picture. Then when you go back there, so you have seen the layout of all these things. Apart from all these ones up here, you will learn more when you subscribe, and you see new videos concerning these icons here. Then let's go up here. From this place you can save your design from that way. Then here you can lock what you have designed so that it won't move. You can see I can move this anywhere I want, but from here you can lock it. It can't move again. Then from here also, when you hit the delete bin here, it will delete. Can you see? Then from up here also, you can, from there you can bring pictures from your gallery, shapes, sticker, current date. You can also draw. Then the text, this plus up there is also an alternative to doing a lot of things. So from here you can choose export image, contact us, and every other thing. So like and subscribe on this channel for you to get more videos. Thank you.